Good afternoon. This is Keith Brown in Moultrie, Georgia with some cash commodity commentary for Friday. It's about 3:15 Eastern Time. We had a really raucous day today. Of course, big supply-demand numbers came out, and we'll get to those. For cotton, we were just really stunned. USDA actually raised the U.S. cotton crop 650,000 bales, increasing our carryout in this country about 500,000 or 600,000. Also, they raised the world carryout about 2 million bales, so we're back up to 74.5 million, actually 76.6 million bales. And they did that by raising the production, the beginning stocks in China, cutting consumption 500,000 bales, and raising Chinese production 500,000 bales. So all that to say, the market was sharply lower today, but for the longest time did hold its own. But then late in the day on a Friday, who wants to buy the market? So we went limit down in December cotton. So from yesterday's high to through today's close, we've dropped 4 cents. That's a pretty vicious fall. Over in the grains, they did cut the corn crop, the lowest on the 10.8 billion bushels, down from the right below the 11 billion bushel lowest guess. But it was a buy the rumor, sell the fact type event. The market was looking for something more frothy than that. We did spike up to 8.49 in December cotton, December corn, and then we sold the market off, and we closed down about 12 cents around 8.12 or so. Beans had bullish numbers as well, and they did manage to stay up all day. We rallied beans about 40 cents, but finished a mere 12 cents higher. There's still, if you look at the numbers, there's still some rationing yet to occur in the corn and beans. We'll just see how the market wants to do that. Over in the wheat, those numbers were actually neutral. But then the Russians came out today and announced that they would have wheat to export. They are on again, off again with this. But it did break the wheat market about almost 25 cents. July new crop wheat did hold its own, though, around 8.52, down 5.5. Energies were down today, even though the dollar was down today. So we're going to think about all this weekend. We've got the report out of the way. Now we're going to start focusing on harvest before too long, and see just what and how much of the crop is actually out there. And we're speaking of cotton to corn to beans to wheat as well. Also next week we'll see what kind of export business we're doing. We've had some demand destruction in corn, of course, with ethanol and with poultry and livestock. And then, of course, the fuel market is gearing up for something, we think. China may be slowing her economy, but then she may try to stimulate, so that could certainly help the fuel come along. At any rate, if you have any questions or comments, give us a call. Have a nice weekend.